At first, it was quiet, like the island was holding its breath. Then, everything hit. Iceland has a way of overwhelming you, with scale, with silence, with everything in between. Most of the time, I had no script, no real idea where the story was going. I just kept chasing light, chasing movement, capturing what felt right in the moment. I had people by my side, hungry for the same kind of wonder. That made it better. That made it real. We didn't make it everywhere. Some places were just out of reach, hidden behind snow, time, or roads we couldn't take. I come back when the land shifts, when the sky screams. For now, I carry the silence, the wind, and that feeling of chasing something real.